It's a 2015 Acura TLX. A fresh and unique experience. It offers up all the thrills and luxuries you've come to expect in an Acura. Embrace the road with precision all-wheel steer, which adjusts the rear wheels to complement the front when making turns. Noise dampening technology, a power sunroof, memory settings, and keyless access keep every other aspect of driving just as elegantly effortless.
The heated seats keep you comfortable, no matter how cold it is. Your favorite music has never sounded better, thanks to the Acura ELS sound system. Negotiating traffic has never been easier, thanks to the blind spot indicator.
Subtle, stunning, sensational. This TLX makes driving a joy. Come get behind the wheel today.
Herb Connolly Acura, meeting and exceeding expectations one customer at a time. Stop in today. We're conveniently located at 500 Worcester Road, Route 9 in Framingham, Massachusetts.